Hello Bladers. Ever felt like you and your friends just simply have mismatching schedules? Well, we completely understand you because that's what adulting really feels like. The added responsibilities can make it really hard to find a decent time to just go out with them. However, if by any chance, you get that perfect weekend where all your schedules miraculously match, we're sure you'd want to make the most out of it. You can have dinner, go to karaoke bars, or even simply chill over a drink or two. Speaking of camping, Peugeot just launched the Boxer 4x4 that's perfect for it. In fact, it's the car that will make you feel like you're already on a holiday the moment you step on it. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. The car that's perfect for your holiday camping. The Boxer concept was released last September 28 at the Recreational Vehicle Show in Le Bourget. Though there is still no news yet if Peugeot will release it for production, one thing is for sure, it's any holiday camper's dream car. Peugeot's Boxer 4x4 features awesome specifications that are well thought of. It uses a part-time four-wheel drive system that is controllable from switches on the dashboard. In fact, when it is in four-wheel drive mode, only the rear wheels are powered up. More than this though, the Boxer 4x4 boasts a 10 square meters floor space and interiors that go all out. It has a dining area, a kitchen, sleeping quarters, and a small bathroom that will make you really want to get one right now for bonding with your brothers. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.